Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. I hope you all will be fine. I am your social studies teacher from Behria Colleges PNET. Today I will explain you part 2 of lesson number 1, the universe and the solar system. Before starting the lesson, we revise some important points from previous lecture. Number 1 was the universe. The universe is the whole of all matters, energy, planets, galaxies and space. An example of universe is where anyone and everything exists. Second was the solar system. The solar system is the sun and all the objects that orbit around it. The sun is orbited by planets, asteroids, comets and other things. There are 8 planets in the solar system. They are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Now we start the part 2 of this lesson from the sun. Sun is one of the most important part of the universe. Sun is a yellow dwarf star positioned in the center of our solar system. Sun is the source of light and energy to our planet Earth. Sun is mainly composed of hydrogen and helium gases. Sun orbited the solar system at the speed of 8,20,000 km per hour. Sun takes almost 235 million years to rotate one complete orbit around the solar system. Sun surface temperature is around 5800 Kelvin and at the core it is 15 million degrees. Sun is currently at its middle age and would remain fairly stable for the next 5 billion years. Next one is the moon. The moon is Earth's largest natural satellite and we usually see it in the night sky. Some other planets also have moons or natural satellites. Our moon is about a quarter the size of the Earth. Because it is far away, it looks small, about half a degree wide. The gravity on the moon is 1/6 of the Earth's gravity. It means that something will be 6 times lighter on the moon than on Earth. The moon is a rocky and dusty place. The moon moves slowly away from the Earth at a rate of 3.8 cm per year. The moon is not a suitable place for plants and animals. Therefore, no form of life can be found on the moon. The next one is the Earth. Earth is the planet we live on. It is the third planet from the sun. It is the only planet known to have life on it. The Earth formed around 4.5 billion years ago. It is one of 4 rocky planets on the inside of the solar system. The other 3 are Mercury, Venus and Mars. Earth is the only planet in our solar system that has a large amount of liquid water. About 74% of the surface of the Earth is covered by liquid or frozen water. Because of this, people sometimes call it the blue planet. Now I have some home tasks for you. Your home task is to write the answers of these questions in your copy. Question number 1 is, what is the universe? Answer is, the universe is the whole of matter, energy, planets, galaxies and space. Question number 2 is, name the components of the solar system. Sun, moon, 8 planets and other small bodies all are components of solar system. Next question is, write a short note on the moon. You can do the answer of this question with the help of your book. Now the next is a worksheet. I hope after watching this video you will be able to complete this worksheet. This worksheet is about rotation of moon around the earth. Orbit of the earth on its axis, the planets and the stars. All these headings will be explained in part 3 of this lesson. I hope you understand the lesson very well. Thank you, students.